Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be here today. I did a painting a little while back that was based on a black and white, but I did white and dark purple with lots of gold glitter, and it turned out so beautiful and elegant that I thought I'd make a kind of a trilogy. So this time I'm going to be using the same type of colors, although my purple is a little bit different. I still have my gold and my silver. Um, those are actually from Artist Loft, metallic gold, metallic silver. I have my white and my purple this time here. I'm using a base of DecoArt African Violet, but I felt that it was a little too red. I wanted a little different intensity, I guess, so I put in my leftover metallic purple from Artist Loft, as well as I had some permanent blue violet. I had basically used the water to darken it a little bit. And so, yeah, my white this time is DecoArt. Everything has water, Floetrol. I didn't add any silicone this time to anything, although my silver and gold probably have some because they are leftovers. And so last time I added gold glitter, and this time I will be adding purple glitter, so I'm really excited to try that. So yeah, the idea of the trilogy is they will all be white and purple, different purples, and the first had gold glitter, the second's going to have purple glitter, and on the third I would like to do it with silver. So here we go. So I have to say I'm really happy with the overall look of this piece. I really love the color that I was able to achieve, and I think that the sparkles are really beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!